DIY, modern builder style. Talk the truth. That will a vibe though. Alright, enough respect. Alright, so good folks, we're there again. Agent Sasko for H&L's Modern Builder now. Of course, the last time we were working on this vanity here, the base at least, and then now as you can see, a little thing going on since then. We install the counters and the vessel and the faucet. So today we have, just a few tightening up for the one, the finishing touches. So, forward. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna tighten our P-trap and make sure we have no leaks under there, especially with this setup. Of course, you'll see everything, so you want to make sure everything 100. So, today on set I have my trusted assistant Joshua to help me out. Josh, lend me the shamai. Thank you, sir. Say hello to the good folks.
Hello.
Alright, and I could just get in here so now. As you can see, most of the major stuff is done, so we'll just be adding some, finishing touches. For example, like we have some studs on the door here, we added some on the vanity, to tie everything together. Well, a few more to put in there. We'll add our tissue holder and towel rack and, things like that. So I could do it. First thing first, tissue holder. Joshua, let me get the tissue holder and put a battery on the driver. All right, Josh, level on the driver. So these studs are decorative, but the idea is they are mimicking what would be the case 100 years ago. Like this would be holding the door together, so that's what we're mimicking. Joshua, lend me the adjustable. Thanks. So we're tightening these, but of course we don't want to scratch up the door nor the studs themselves, so just use this piece of cloth over it. All right, think how we that. Yeah, man. Have energy. Yeah. All right, massive. So you know what now? At this time for we tie up the air and call it, put in a little, you see me? Finishing touches, Hey guys, remember this from last time, right? We did check the level as well. Now, it's official. All right, mirror. Yes, Josh, nah, tell a lie. Can get extra lunch money this week. All right. Mount in the mirror now. Watch this. And there it is, guys. All done. Agent Sasko, Modern Builder, signing out. Until next time.